With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, our question is an 8-digit numbers divisible by 9 is to be found by using from 0 to 9 without repeating the digit. The number of way in which this can be done, we have to find a number of way. Few option is given. First is 72 into 7 factorial. Second is 18 into 7 factorial. Third is 40 into 7 factorial. And fourth is 36 into 7 factorial. So, sample space that is given to us is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the total is how many digit? Total digit is 10. These are total 10 digit. Okay. And we need to find the number is divisible by 9. So here I write the sum of these two number is 45 equals to 1 to 9. This is total 45. Okay. Divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. Okay. These are the 10 digit number and we need to find the only 8 digit number. So what we have to do for 8 digit number, we need to remove our 2 digit. Okay. We need to remove any 2 digit from them. 2 digit. Then only it is possible to form a 8 digit number because these are the how many digit? These are the 10 digit. So after removing, the summation is also divisible by 9. After removing, our summation is also divisible by 9. Because before that it is divisible by 9. So after that also it is also divisible by 9. So we can remove the pair. Just we assume that we can remove the pair. We can remove the pair 0, 9. What's the possible pair? 0, 9, 1 and 8, 3 and 6, 2 and 7 and 4 and 5. So let's we check that what happened when we remove it is divisible by 9 or not. 0 plus 9 is equals to 9 and before summation is 45 minus 9 is equals to 36. Divisible by 9. Similarly, we are checking for all the pair. We get 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. 45 minus 9 is 36, same divisible by 9. Similarly, for the other pairs when we check, we will get that 6 plus 3 is also 9, 2 plus 7 is equals to 9 and 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. It means all the pairs when we remove, they divisible by 9. So, if 0 and 9 are removed, the number of 8 digit number possible. So, first case, when we remove, so when remove pair 0 and 9, so the number of 8 digit, the 8 digit number possible, the 8 digit number possible, we are able to write it like that. Total how many digits? Total 7, 8, 10 number are here. And when we remove the pair, so total number of possible is 8 factorial. Similarly, when we removed 1 and 8, remove. So, the possible 8 digit number, 8 number digit is possible. So, the number of way 8 digit number possible is 8 factorial minus 7 factorial. What is a 7 factorial? Subtracting the number of case when 0 is at the leftmost place. Subtracting the number of case, because we need to find the number is divisible by 9. Subtracting the number of case when 0 is at leftmost place, because no number is possible starting with a 0. So similarly we can remove, same conditions, same we follow. When remove 2, 7, 3, 6 and 4 and 5. Okay. Now our possibles result, we get total possible way for 8-digit number. What is that possible way? Is 8 factorial plus, because these are the 4 pair, so we are able to write 4 factorial and 8 minus 7, not a factorial. Here not a factorial, only 4, because 4 pair are there. When we solve this, we will get 5, 8 factorial minus 4, 7. This is a factorial. This is a 7 factorial. Now, for again solving this, we are able to write it like that: 5 into 8 into 7 factorial minus 4 into 7 factorial. What we will do? We will take 7 factorial as a common. Then we will get 40 minus 4. And finally, we get 36 into 7 factorial. This is our answer. Now, we will see that our answer is matched with which options. So, our option number 4 is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.